Do you ever wonder where your money goes each month? It seems like no matter how much you earn, there's never enough left over. You work hard, yet saving seems impossible. The bills keep piling up, and it feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. The problem might be hiding in plain sight. Often, it's the small, seemingly insignificant expenses that go unnoticed. Those daily coffees, takeout lunches, and impulse buys add up faster than you think. Each small purchase might not seem like much, but together, they can create a significant drain on your finances. It's like a slow leak in your financial ship, silently draining your wealth. Over time, these small expenses can add up to a substantial amount of money. The good news is, you have the power to plug this leak. By becoming more aware of your spending habits, you can take control of your finances. By identifying and reducing unnecessary spending, you can free up significant cash flow. Start by tracking your daily expenses and see where your money is going. Think about it. Even cutting back $5 a day adds up to over $1,800 a year. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. That's money you can save, invest, and use to build a brighter financial future. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to big improvements in your financial health. So, take charge today. Review your expenses, make a plan, and watch as your savings grow. Your future self will thank you. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's simply a plan for your money, ensuring you prioritize your financial goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a simple spreadsheet or one of the many budgeting apps available. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Allocate funds to essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and set realistic limits for discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. Remember, a budget is a living document, so adjust it as needed. Before paying bills or indulging in discretionary spending, prioritize saving and investing. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Automate the process by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each payday. By paying yourself first, you ensure that you're consistently working towards your financial goals. Even if you start small, the power of compounding will work its magic over time. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and invest that matters. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth. The debt snowball method is a powerful strategy to tackle it head-on. List all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on all others. Once the smallest debt is eliminated, roll the amount you were paying towards it onto the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, building momentum and motivation as you see your debts disappear one by one. The key is to stay consistent and celebrate each victory along the way. Section 5. Invest early and often. Time is your greatest asset. Investing is not just for the wealthy. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially through the power of compounding. Don't be intimidated by the stock market. There are simple and effective ways to get started, even with small amounts. Consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and encourage long-term investing. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to take full advantage of this free money. It's an instant return on your investment. Section 6. Index funds and ETFs. Simple and effective investing. In this section, we will explore why these investment vehicles are considered both simple and effective for a wide range of investors. Index funds and ETFs are a great option for both beginner and experienced investors. They provide a straightforward way to invest without needing to constantly monitor the market or pick individual stocks. They offer instant diversification by tracking a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means you are not putting all your eggs in one basket, but rather spreading your investment across a wide array of companies. This means you're investing in a basket of hundreds of companies, reducing risk compared to individual stock picking. Diversification is key to managing risk and achieving more stable returns over time. These investment vehicles are also very low cost, meaning more of your money is working for you. Lower fees can significantly enhance your overall returns, especially over the long term. Many robo-advisors offer automated investing in index funds and ETFs, making it easier than ever to get started. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments, ensuring they stay aligned with your financial goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay committed and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay patient and focus on the long term. Over time, the power of compounding and consistent investing can lead to significant financial growth. Keep your eyes on your long-term goals and stay the course. Section 7. Emergency Fund, your financial safety net. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. An unexpected car repair, medical bill, or job loss can derail your finances. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Start by saving $1,000 as quickly as possible. Once you've reached that goal, focus on building up your emergency fund to cover your target amount. Having this financial cushion will provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Section 8. The power of compound interest. Let your money work for you. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. This is because it has the incredible ability to make your money grow at an accelerated rate. It's the concept of earning interest on your initial investment, plus all accumulated interest. Essentially, you earn interest on your interest, creating a snowball effect. Over time, even small amounts can grow exponentially. This means that the longer you leave your money invested, the more it will grow. The key is to start early and let time work its magic. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to benefit from compound interest. Imagine investing $1,000 today at a 7% annual return. This might not seem like a lot initially, but the results over time are astounding. In 30 years, your investment would grow to over $7,600 without adding another dime. This is the magic of compound interest at work. That's the power of compound interest. It allows your money to grow faster than simple interest, which only earns interest on the initial amount. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. So, don't wait. Start investing today and let compound interest work its magic for you. Section 9. Discipline and consistency, the keys to financial success. Building wealth is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires discipline, consistency, and a long-term perspective. Stick to your budget, automate your savings and investments, and avoid impulsive spending. Remember, small, consistent actions over time lead to significant results. Just like building physical fitness takes effort and dedication, so does building financial fitness. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial professionals when needed. Section 10. Take control of your future. Start building wealth today. You have the power to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. It starts with making conscious choices about your spending, saving, and investing habits. Remember, the small steps you take today can have a significant impact on your financial well-being tomorrow. Start by implementing the tips discussed in this essay. Track your expenses, create a budget, prioritize saving and investing, and tackle your debt strategically. With discipline, consistency, and a little bit of effort, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. The time to start is now.